Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video we are going to be trying an amazing hair growth treatment. I saw this on Nenya. I think I pronounced her name right. Nenya channel. I think that video has gotten to 1 million views. It's a challenge, a hair treatment that I want to try. It's a Japanese hair straightening treatment. Like I told you guys, I love trying things on my hair. So we're gonna jump into the ingredients and which I'll show you, go out from this particular place and show you guys how we're gonna be making it. Yeah. If you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, we try natural ingredients to grow out our natural hair. If this is what you're interested in, please do well to subscribe, like this video, share, and comment. So love. Let me not talk too much. Let's jump into the ingredient. I am so excited. Like, you guys know my hair now. My hair is very, very kinky. So let's see if this is gonna work on my natural hair or not. Okay, let's go. Hello, so the first ingredient we needed was rice. Okay, I've blended my rice, I've cooked it. It has to be very, very soft because I did cook mine and blend mine off camera. All right, so I cooked the rice, 2 tablespoons of rice. I cooked it, it was soft. I blended it and I saved it. Okay, so right now I want to mix my corn flour, okay, or corn flour, cornstarch. I'm using 1 teaspoon. All right, if it's white, the white one, the white corn flour, that's one you should use, not the yellow one. So I added little water and I mix everything together to the consistency I need. Then we'll move to the next step, which is to boil this. All right, the first thing we added was the rice, and the next thing I'm going to add is our corn flour. I'm going to mix all these two together and till it's very, very thick, not too thick, not too watery. Okay, after I cook that for a minute, this is what we had. I'm going to be adding my oil. She used coconut oil, which I'm also be using coconut oil. She also used olive oil. I don't have olive oil in the house, so I improvised by using my hair growth oil to this treatment. Okay, if you have olive oil, please use olive oil. Okay, so or use oil you have in your house. If you don't have olive oil, use the oil in your house. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit of my hair growth oil, and I'm just going to mix everything together. And this, guys, it has no smell. It does not smell anyhow. It looks so thick. It looks like a deep condition treatment, rice deep condition treatment. So this is what we have. My hair is already washed, and I washed my hair last night and I allow it to air dry. My hair right now does not have any single treatment, okay, or any single product on it. So I'm just going to section my hair in 4 sections. Then I will start to apply this on my hair. So love, this is the section we'll be working with. Okay, so I'll first of all add it from the tip before I get to the roots of my hair. All right, this is a bit sticky. Okay, so I believe you should make yours a bit watery so that it can glaze through your hair. All right, this was a bit sticky for me, so but I still managed to mix it and make it work for me. So I'm just going to be doing this all over my hair, and guys, this thing made my hair very, 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 very amazing. Like you will see and you will hear my review after the application. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair is easier to detangle. Immediately I apply this all over my hair, it's really, really easy to detangle. I see that one's a bit strong and this is so soft. Like, I'm so impressed with this treatment. So love, I'm done applying it on my hair, so I'm going to comb my hair out because she also combed her hair as she was applying it as well. So I'm just going to comb my hair. I'm using my brush, I'm using my white tooth comb just to detangle everything. Like guys, can you see? It looks straight, right? But there's coils out. My face was like, let's keep on, let's see if this is gonna work or not. Like, I was so anxious to know if it's gonna work or not. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair and I'll come back and give you guys my review. So loves, right here, after I applied this all over my hair, I decided to go back again with the comb and comb my hair. Like guys, this glides straight out of the comb. Like my hair was no longer strong or freeze. My hair was so soft. Like the way I was combing it, that this was giving me a vibe. And can you see the volume? Can you see the coils that is popping? I don't know, am I the only one saying this? So after this, I will use a plastic bag and I'll set a timer for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I will rinse this out and I'll show you guys how my hair looks like. So guys, I'm done washing my hair, and sorry I didn't take you guys along. It's just I only rinse it out. I did not really put any conditioner or anything. I just only rinse it out. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm using a clean white t-shirt to dry my hair. That's what I use to dry my hair. After I do my wash day, I wash it, I keep it. So my hair, me feeling my hair is so soft, like very, 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 very. The very is long go. It's very soft. Uh huh. Yeah, my hair. See, it's very soft. For hair straightening, it did not straighten my hair. My hair is still afro. My hair is still afro. My hair did not straight. It did not straight my hair. My hair is still in its afro state. Okay. So I'm just combing my hair like this. And last, this is the hair shade I have. It's very, very little. So this is nice. It's a nice treatment for if you want to soften your hair, if you want to stop your hair from being strong and freezed out and the rest. This is amazing. Maybe if you have a different kind of hair texture than 4C hair, okay, maybe to straighten your hair. But for 4C hair, my afro sisters, this does not straighten your hair. This will make your hair soft. When I was applying this on my hair, my coils were popping, but now the coil don't come out. I don't know, the coil has run away. It has gone back to its natural afro state. But I love that my hair is very, very soft. Like loves is so soft. My hair is so soft right now. I love it. Will I be doing this again? Yes, I will do this again. In maybe next month, I'll be doing like a month treatment, something like that. Yes, I will try this again. Did it make my hair straight? No. Did it make my hair soft? Yes. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is no grease day. Anyway, And also like and comment and share. I'll just put my leave-in conditioner, my oils, my butter, and break this hair. So loves, I'll see you all in my next video. All right. Mwah.